Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. This is Chandra. I'm here to provide the demo on Oracle applications technical. Okay, so one of the best technology in the current recession. Most of the job requirements we have in Oracle apps technical, and we are placing number of candidates every month, 4 to 5 offer letters. Our students are getting even in this recession also for Oracle applications technical consultant. This is not the latest one. It's very old technology. It's there from 2000 onwards. Now we are in 2023. Last 23 years, this technology is there in the market. Okay. So now we are going to discuss today and tomorrow. Today we have the demo 1. Tomorrow we are going to have demo 2. From Monday onwards, regular sessions will be started. Okay. So I'll give the introduction about this technology and prerequisites and what are the different types of jobs we have, what is our responsibility, and we'll talk about how much time it will take duration for learning. This is all we are going to talk. Okay, so the first one is, this course name is Oracle Applications Technical Consultant. Oracle Applications Technical Consultant. Of course, the job name also same, as well as the course name also same. Oracle Applications Technical Consultant. Okay, Oracle Apps Technical, EBS Technical. Okay, these all are same. What are the prerequisites for this? What are the prerequisites? Prerequisites is basic idea of SQL and PLSQL. Strong, we will make it. Anyway, strong is required. That we will make that things are perfect. But you should have some basic idea how to write queries in SQL prompt, how to write a simple PLSQL program. So it may take just 4 to 5 days to understand the basics. Okay, so the real time will take care of that in SQL as well as in the PLSQL. SQL as well as in the PLSQL, real time will take up that. Okay, so then what is the course name? Oracle Applications. What is Oracle Applications? Oracle Applications is one of the ERP software like SAP. SAP is our competitor. Salesforce is our competitor. Workday is our competitor. Okay. So these all are the ERP products. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. If there are any client enterprises, if they are doing some business, to maintain their business day-to-day transactions in a single system. When I say the enterprise, let's say we'll take an example. So we'll take an example called Birla Sun Life Insurance. Birla Sun Life Insurance Company is there. Okay. So what is their business? Insurance business. They have some lakhs of customers, thousands of employees, hundreds or thousands of suppliers, and also they have the communication with the banks. Day to day, whatever the insurance claims or payments, receivings, company salaries, employees, customers information, supplier information, day to day, the interest rates calculations, whatever the business they are doing, they wanted to maintain in a single software, then they'll use the ERP software. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It may be insurance company or banking sector or textile industry, automobile industry, manufacturing industry, education industry also, like universities. Number of universities are using nowadays ERP software to maintain their complete information. Not only the institutions, Narayana schools and Chaitanya schools, they use the ERP software because they want to maintain their day-to-day expenditure, their day-to-day accounting information, and also other employees. They have some thousands of employees. They wanted to make the salaries payments to them. So this all information they wanted to maintain in a single software. That is what we call it as a ERP software. What are the different ERP products available in the market? SAP is there, Oracle apps we have, and we have Salesforce, and we have Workday, and we have Microsoft Dynamics. Like this, there are a number of ERP products available in the market. All these ERPs are available in the market. Depends on the client requirement, depends on the price, depends on the flexibility, depends on the compatibility with that product, they'll go for choose. Now we are talking about these Oracle applications. Okay. So if Birla Sun Life Insurance, they have a business and what their requirement is, they wanted to maintain their complete financials information, day-to-day payments, receivings, assets, and cash management, and their information of the ledgers, accounting, transactions. This all they want to maintain in a ERP suite. So they'll go for Oracle Apps Financials. Okay. So whenever we say that ERP software, there will be 4 domains mainly. There will be 4 domains or four different offerings we'll find. What are those? One is financials. Another one is supply chain management, human capital management or human resource management system, customer relationship management. Okay. Project portfolio management, PPM. Like there are number of other, even for students maintenance also, we have separate university modules, student modules like that. But majorly, we will find financials, supply chain management, human resource management system, and CRM. Financials, every client will use because without finance, there is no question of business. If somebody is doing the business, if some client is running the business, definitely they want to maintain their accounts in a proper format. They want to, whatever daily they are paying, thousands of checks they are going to distribute from every branch. For example, Birla Sun Life Insurance is one of the insurance company in India having more than 500 branches. In every branch, almost 30 employees are working. 15,000 employees are coming to office every day, and they are going to enter the insurance details, update the details, delete the details, and they are trying to upgrade, communicate with customers, update that information. Whatever the transactions they are doing manually, they want it to update in the ERP software. Every day, some thousands of records needs to be inserted, updated, and deleted in the software, because this all information, if we don't maintain in a proper format, it's very difficult. All of a sudden customer will come tomorrow and he says that I want to know about my insurance details. Can you tell me that? Then you should be in a position to provide the service. Otherwise, your competitor will catch the customer. If you ask your customer to wait for 1 hour or 2 hours, then it's a problem. Customer may change, right? So that's the reason every companies nowadays, they are going to use the ERP software to maintain all their accounting information, their supply chain, nothing but a procurement and sales information. HRMS, nothing but maintaining their employees, employee leaves, employee benefits, employee timesheets, employee salaries, employee benefits, deductions, earnings, all these employees' performances, all this they wanted to maintain that, right? So it's very difficult to maintain manually if when you have some thousands of employees. That's called HRMS. CRM, nothing but customer relationship management. Once you sell the product to customer, you are supposed to maintain the relationship with the customer. For example, the client says that I have 1 lakh customers. I sold my product or service to 1 lakh customers. All these 1 lakh customers will be calling to my call center. They'll be explaining their problems, and our call center employee is supposed to assign the engineer to them to resolve that issue or update that information, or my call center people are supposed to call them any service extension or warranty, like the next level information we wanted to convey to my customer. This all comes under CRM. Whoever is maintaining the call center, they need this CRM software because they wanted to track all this information, right? So that's the CRM. Same thing like projects. If the organizations are having some projects, to maintain the project, they need resource, they need infrastructure, they need a project bidding, and they need loans. All this information is going to be maintained in the ERP applications here. So whenever any client says that, yes, for example, Birla Sun Life Insurance Company is there, I'm interested to go with this ERP software. So what this company will do, Birla company will communicate with the customer. First, our client, who is our client here? Birla Sun Life Insurance is the client. So what they do, they'll contact Oracle Corporation. Why? This Oracle Corporation company has developed this product. Oracle Corporation company has developed this Oracle applications ERP software, and they are ready to sell this to the client across the world. Any clients who are ready to maintain their information, enterprise information. Okay, so once client meet this Oracle Corporation, depends on the license cost. For example, 2000 users want to log in every day. So depends on the number of users login, there will be a cost. They'll go for purchase the software. Once they purchase the software, this client has to communicate with the vendors. They have to communicate with the vendors because this software will be empty in the initial stage. What Oracle Corporation will give? They'll give the software. So Oracle Corporation company has developed this ERP software for all the clients across the world, common options. They have not developed only for Birla Sun Life Insurance. Excuse me. They have not developed only for insurance domain. They have developed this product to be compatible for finance as well as for the insurance companies, banking sector, automobile sector, education sector, manufacturing sector, real estate sector, all the sectors. All the sectors should use this ERP software. They have built this application like that. All the features are provided. But now your client, once they purchase the software, some of the features they don't want. Some of the features they want to customize. Some of the features they want to develop. This all work, they have to give it for the vendors. Who are the vendors? There are a number of TCS, Infosys, Wipro, okay, and PwC. Like there are some thousands of Oracle partners. These all people are Oracle partners available across the world. Like you might have seen, like TCS, like you might have seen Mahindra Cars is there. In every town, there will be a servicing center. They will be mentioning authorized servicing center. It's nothing but they are authorized. They are the partners with that company. So they got the license and they got the access for all the instruments and technology, whatever the company is providing. Same. Oracle Corporation also has given the partnership for this clients and they given it to the across the world because every work cannot be done by Oracle, right? Oracle can't do that. They don't have the time and not resource. So obviously they have the partners across the world. They'll also do it. Oracle Corporation also will do, but they have given the partnership, vendor partnership to others also. They are ready to implement the product. Okay. So client, once they purchase the software from Oracle Corporation, either they give that project to Oracle or they can give it to the vendors who are available in the market. Okay. Let's say your client has confirmed with the TCS. So client is impressed with the quotation, the way of implementation process, whatever they given TCS company commitment, then they given the project to TCS. Who is your client? Birla Sun Life Insurance. Birla Sun Life Insurance. Who is going to implement this project? TCS company is going to do it. TCS company is going to do this. So when the TCS company get a project, so how they will recruit? They have to recruit the employees, right? They have to recruit the software engineers. Okay. So they are going to recruit the software engineers, 3 people. One is DBA, Oracle Apps DBA. Second one, Oracle Apps Functional Consultant. Third one, Oracle Apps Technical Consultant. There are 3 different types of roles we will find. So now TCS has to recruit 3 members. 3 members means 3 different positions. Okay, first one is a DBA position. So what DBAs will do? They'll go for install this software, whatever client has purchased from Oracle Corporation. They'll go for install this software. Okay. And after they are going to maintain the complete information about the application, database support, migration. This is all they are going to take up. Once the DBA is installed, then Oracle Applications Functional Consultant will enter. Let me open one PDF document here. Now in this PDF, I have specified the roles and responsibilities. It's a generally a standard question in the interviews they will be asking us. Can you tell me what is your role in the project? And what is your responsibility? What is your day-to-day activity? It's a standard question when we are applying as experienced consultant in that. So as I said, we have three different types of jobs in Oracle applications. One is DBA, functional consultant, technical consultant. So what is DBA activity? So DBA is going to install the software on Linux server. And after installation, they will go for define the securities. They'll take the database backup, cloning, and support. Defining the multiple instances. This is very common. When we are working in the project, first we'll start working on the development instance, where we can do any R&D. We can create, delete, update, whatever we want to do, we can do it. So once we develop the objects over there, then we will go for migrate from development instance to testing instance. Then testing instance to production, we are going to migrate here. Okay, so that's how we are going to perform here. It is. Okay. Then after that, applying the patches, nothing but a script. So we are going to write applying the patches here. So the patches is nothing but a script provided by Oracle. This Oracle is going to provide the solution. For example, there is a problem in the product. What Oracle says, they'll give you the solution script. You have to run that script. Once you run the script, what happened, then it's going to be available all our application. So during the installation or during the implementation, if there are any issues, if we communicate with Oracle through the Oracle support. So there is a separate website for Oracle. So we can communicate with them, Oracle, and raise the SR. We call it as a service request. So generally for the clients, they'll be providing this support.oracle. So when we are working in the project also, we will be communicating with this. Log into my Oracle support here. Log into the applications. So this is Oracle support website. We call it as a meta link also. Through this, we'll be raising the SR service request in case if there is any problem. So that is a job of DBS as well as functional consultant also sometimes will be doing that. So these are the responsibilities for the DB. Okay. Then we'll talk about functional consultant. So what functional consultant will do the job in the project? Functional consultant, mainly they'll be interacting with the client, explain about ERP software, what are the features are there in this, and identify the gaps between the client business and the application. For example, client says that we are going to create invoices and we are going to calculate the tax, discount, and interest rates like this. So those currency conversion rates are different. Here in the application, calculation is different. That is a gap. So for that, they are going to do the work around it. Okay, and gather the requirement and prepare the functional design documents, functional setups, providing the training to the users. Okay, assign the work to the team. This is all they will be performing here. It is okay. So most of the times when we are working here, the functional consultant highly expected communication, documentation skills, and the presentation skills. This is highly expected because he has to face the customer. He has to face the customer. He is supposed to communicate with the customer. Here it is. Okay. So that's about the functional consultant. That's about the functional consultant. Then technical consultant is the person who is going to communicate. Okay. Who is going to communicate with the functional consultant. This is what our job. This is what we are trying to learn now. Oracle applications technical consultant. Okay, what is our responsibility and what is our work in the project is we are going to receive the requirement functional design document from the functional consultant. Once we get this requirement from the functional consultant, then we are supposed to go through the document and understand the requirement. Understand the requirements over here it is. Once we understand the requirement, then we'll start development. We'll start development here. And then we are going to the development of the objects. We are going to test this, and then we are going for move this production, and finally we'll go for deliver to the client. Okay, so here development, testing, and moving into the production is completely our responsibility. Is completely our responsibility. whatever we do here. So what objects we are going to develop? Every time we are telling that we'll develop the objects, we'll test the objects, and we'll deliver the objects to the client. That's what we are telling. So what are the different objects we have? We call it as a RISE objects. Sometimes in the Naukri, they'll be asking us, are you flexible with RISE components? Means in the recruitment, they'll say that, are you flexible with RISE components? Are you flexible for RISE components customization here? So what is our work? Mainly RISE components development and customizations. RISE components development and customizations. Here, R for reports. R for reports. I for interfaces. I for interfaces. Interface means like data loading, data extractions, where we are going to write SQL and PLSQL programs, where we are going to write SQL and PLSQL programs here. And then conversions, data conversion, it's one-time data transfer we are going to perform here. Conversions, we are going to do it. Extension is nothing but a form development, form personalizations, and form customizations. We are going to do all this here. Okay. So whenever we are working with the RISE components, we are going to develop and customize the RISE components in our project. So all these RISE components will be using the SQL as well as the PLSQL also. That's what I said. Prerequisition is SQL as well as and PLSQL. These two things are mandatory here. Okay. So this is our responsibilities as a technical consultant. So when they ask us in the interview, what is your role in the current project? I'm working as a team member in the current project. In this project, I'm going to develop the RISE components as well as I'm going to customize the RISE objects according to our requirement. And also we are going to test these objects, development, testing, and moving into the production instances. This is all we are going to take care of this. So these are three different types of roles we will find in our projects here. We'll find in our projects. Yeah, this is DBA role. First, the project will be started with the DBA. Then functional consultant is going to start. Then technical consultant is going to start. This particular course is mainly for our technical consultant. This particular course is for technical consultant, which we are going to do that. Okay. Thank you.